What if your roof didn't just protect your home, but powered it too? In the next 2 minutes, you'll discover how Tesla's solar roof works, how much it costs, how durable it really is, and whether it's actually worth it. Stay till the end, because the final takeaway might change how you see solar forever. So first, what exactly is Tesla's solar roof? Unlike traditional solar panels, Tesla's solar roof replaces your entire roof with solar glass tiles. These tiles look like regular roofing, but quietly generate electricity from sunlight. From the street, most people won't even realize your home is solar-powered. Now, let's talk about how it works in daily life. During the day, the tiles turn sunlight into energy and power your home first. Any extra electricity can be stored in a Tesla Powerwall battery or sent back to the grid. That means sunlight collected today can still power your lights tonight. But energy means nothing without reliability, so here's the big strength. Tesla's solar roof is engineered for all-weather protection, built to handle rain, wind, snow, and heat. The system generally costs between $25,000 to $60,000 or more for a full installation, depending on roof size and design. The good news? These systems come with 25-year warranties, covering both durability and energy production. Now, let's slow down and talk value. Yes, the upfront cost is higher than standard solar panels. But remember, you're not just buying solar. You're replacing your roof and adding clean energy at the same time. Plus, federal solar tax credits can significantly reduce the final price. So here's the real conclusion. Tesla's solar roof isn't for everyone. But if you already need a new roof and want clean energy without changing your home's look, it can be a smart, long-term investment. Is it the future of roofing or a premium choice today? That depends on your home, your budget, and how much energy independence really matters to you. What do you think about it, future? Let me know in comments. Hit like and subscribe for more updates.